morning, kids. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So kids, our today's video is based on chapter 12, Changing Times, and it is part 2. See kids, in our part 1 of this chapter, chapter 12, Changing Times, we have studied about Chetan Das. Yes kids, we have studied some short stories told by Chetan Das. Now, in that stories, Chetan Das told that when he was 9 years old, he moved from Pakistan to India. Yes kids, you can see in the picture also, we have studied that at the time of independence, means when India was getting its independence, means freedom, at that time India got divided in two parts. One was India and the other part was Pakistan. So this boy Chetan Das, when he was 9 years old, he moved, he and his family members moved from Pakistan to India. And where they moved? They moved from Pakistan to Haryana and in a village named Sohna village. Now kids, I have told you that Haryana is near Delhi. So they moved near Delhi. Now after that, many changes occur in Chetan Das' life. Yes, we have studied that after coming to Haryana, means Sohna village, first of all, for many days they lived in tents. Yes, in camps. And after that, all the family members together made a new house. Now kids, we will move further, and in our today's video, which is part 2, we will learn some more stories told by Chetan Das. Now kids, our today's topic is a changing house. Now many kids will think that just now only ma'am has told that they have made a new house with mud, straw, bamboo, wood, like we have studied in our previous video also. Now why they are changing their house again? See kids, now the time passed. Yes, now Chetan Das is a young boy. Time passed. And Chetan Das becomes a young boy now. So now we will study about Chetan Das and his changing house. And now Chetan Das is a young boy. He has finished his studies and now he got a job. Yes, now he is doing job kids. Now he is a young boy. He has finished his studies and now he is doing a job. Now when Chetan Das got a job, his mother means Amma. His Amma wanted Chetan Das to get married. Yes kids, Amma wanted Chetan Das to get married. Yes, because he is a young boy, he has finished his studies and he was also doing job. So her mother wanted him to get married. But before marriage, Chetan Das wants to repair his house. Now kids, now you get that why the topic name is a changing house. Changing house doesn't mean that they were changing their house. Changing house means that they were repairing their house. So before marriage, Chetan Das wants to repair the house. Yes. He wants to repair the house. Now what repair? He wants to make one more room. One big kitchen and one toilet. So these are the things which Chetan Das want to make in his house after repairing. One more room, one kitchen means big kitchen, and one toilet. So these are the repairings which Chetan Das wants before his marriage. Now kids, we will move to the repairing part. Now when Chetan Das wants to repair his house, first of all he repair one more room. Now kids, in those times people used cement. Yes, they use cement. Why? Because cement makes the house stronger. Yes. Before kids, in my previous video, I have told you that Chetan Das and his family together make a house with mud, straw, and they coated that house with cow dung and mud. I have told you kids? Yes. Now when they are changing their house, means when they are repairing their house, now in this time people use cement for their house because it makes the house stronger. So for making the room they use cement and iron rods, and with both these things they make the roof of the house. From both these things they make the roof of the house. Cement and iron rods. Now kids, they also make the walls of the room. Now from which material? See kids, in the picture I have shown you baked and unbaked bricks. Now what is the difference between baked bricks and unbaked bricks? See kids, you can see in the picture very nicely that baked bricks are the bricks which we put inside the fire. Yes. Have you seen the bricks kids in your home also? The color is red. Now why its color is red? Because we have put that brick inside the fire. We have baked that brick, the red color one. And unbaked means that we have not put that brick inside the fire. Yes, we have only used the material in it, and then directly we will use that brick for making our walls. So kids, this baked brick is more stronger than this unbaked bricks. But at that times, in that area, people used unbaked bricks for making their house. Same way, Chetan Das also used unbaked bricks. Yes, they used unbaked bricks for making the walls of the room. They use unbaked bricks. Now kids, what is the benefit of using these unbaked bricks? See, previously I have told you that in regular basis they used to coat their walls. Now from which material? From cow dung plus mud. They use a mixture of cow dung and mud, and from this material they used to coat their walls. Now there is one benefit of using these unbaked bricks for the wall. Now what benefit? See kids, you don't have to coat your walls on regular basis. You just have to whitewash them. Yes, you can only whitewash them and they will become new. Yes, you can whitewash them and they will become new. So this is a benefit of using bricks for the walls. And at that time, people use unbaked bricks. Now, with one more room, I have told you they have made one kitchen also. Now this kitchen they have made in the courtyard. Yes. Now what is the meaning of courtyard, kids? Courtyard is a place behind the house. Means you can call it angan also in Hindi. So courtyard, in the courtyard, this Chetan Das made one kitchen. In that kitchen there is one mud chulha. Now kids, I hope that you know that what is this mud chulha. You can see in the picture also, kids. Moreover, village people use this. This is a mud chulha. For this, you have to put bricks and you have to coat it with mud and cow dung. And after putting the woods inside, means firewood inside it, you can make your food. Now, in that kitchen, Chetan Das had made one mud chulha. And with this, he has given some space also for the vessels. Now, what is the meaning of vessels? Meaning of vessel is containers. As you know, kids, in kitchen containers are there in which you put pulses, sugar, tea leaves and many more things. So, he also made some space for putting the vessels also, means containers also. Now, after this, Chetan Das got married. Yes. And to whom he got married? To a girl named Suman. Now finally, after repairing the house, Chetan Das got married and he married to a girl named Suman. Now kids, you can see in the picture, this girl Suman used to cook by sitting on the floor in the kitchen, and all the family members used to sit on the floor on mats and they used to eat together, and it was a very happy time for all the family members because they all used to sit together and eat. Now kids, at that time, means at the time when Chetan Das got married, at that time people used to go for the toilets in the fields. Yes, it was a very old time. So people used to go for toilets in the open area. Now some people have a separate toilets for them in their home also. Same way, Chetan Das also has made one toilet with unbaked bricks. He has also made one toilet with unbaked bricks behind the house. Yes kids. Now kids, at that time people don't used to clean their toilets by their own. Yes, it was a very wrong habit at that time that some people from Basti. Now Basti here is village. Basti is another name for the village. Some people from Basti used to come to the toilets and they used to clean the toilets. Yes kids. And one more thing is there, the village people or the Basti people don't allow these peoples to enter the house, as they think that cleaning the toilet is a dirty job and these peoples do dirty jobs. But nowadays kids, we have our own toilets at our house. Yes, not behind the house, inside our house only. And we only used to clean them. And kids, cleaning the toilets of our own is not a dirty job now. So kids, in our today's video, we have learned about the changes which occur in Chetan Das' life. Now kids, in our next video, we will study some more changes in Chetan Das' life. Now kids, let's move to the activity corner.
Page number 98. Find out and write. Talk to any one of your grandparents or any other elderly person. Find out when she or he was 8-9 years old. Now the first question. Where did she or he live? Name that place. She lived in a village named Chair. Now kids, here you can change the village name according to your grandparents' answers. Now next, from what material was her or his house made? Wood, thatched bamboo, straw and mud. Did they have a toilet in their house? If no, where was it? Yes, they had a toilet in their house. In which part of the house was food cooked? Food was cooked in the veranda, which was separated by a wall. Now the last. A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das' house was made. Why? A lot of mud was used when Chetan Das' house was made because to protect the house from heat and cold. Page number 100. The people who used the toilets did not clean them. Discuss. The people who used the toilets did not clean them as they thought that it was a dirty job. Next, is there a toilet in your house? Who cleans it? Yes, there are toilets in my house. My elders clean them.